Have you ever wondered how many income streams are out there? Better yet, how many different income sources do you currently tap into? If you're like most people, the answer might be just one. Rich people, however, are a different story. Unlike the majority who rely solely on their 9-to-5 jobs, the wealthy don't limit their earning potential to the hours they spend at work. They understand the power of diversification in their income streams. Did you know that the average millionaire has not one, not two, but 7 different sources of income? How exactly do they manage to earn money in so many ways? Most people earn their living through a single stream, earned income, which is the money made from a job. While this is the most common way to generate income, it's far from the only option. There are numerous other ways to make money, and understanding these can be the key to financial independence. Imagine a world where your money works for you instead of you constantly working for money. This is the reality for many wealthy individuals. I am dedicated to helping people with personal finance, building generational wealth, and getting rich. If you are interested in this life-transformative information, please subscribe to my channel. I will continue to bring you important information about getting rich every week. Thank you. I really appreciate your support. All right, let's get back to business. The journey to financial independence begins with expanding your awareness of income-generating possibilities. So, what are these 7 streams of income that the rich take advantage of? And more importantly, how can you start incorporating them into your own financial strategy? Let's explore these income sources and discover how you, too, can build a robust financial future. Let's start with the most familiar type of income, earned income. This is the kind of money you make from working, whether it's through a traditional job or self-employment. It's straightforward. You perform a task or put in hours, and you get paid in return. Sounds simple enough, right? But have you ever thought about what happens when you stop working? The income stops too. Most people are paid hourly or receive a salary that is directly linked to the amount of time they spend working for someone else. Even if you're self-employed, your income is often tied to the hours you work or the tasks you complete. Whether you're earning a paycheck, working for an hourly rate, or getting paid per task or commission, the concept remains the same. Your income is a direct result of your labor. But here's the catch. Earned income is typically taxed at a higher rate compared to other types of income. This is partly because there are fewer tax deductions available. You've probably heard the acronym just over broke in reference to jobs. Many people are conditioned to see their job as the ultimate source of stability and security, not realizing that this belief can actually be quite limiting. Relying solely on earned income means you're putting all your financial eggs in one basket. What happens if you lose your job or can no longer work? The risk is significant. While having a job may feel safe and secure, true security comes from diversifying your income streams. By exploring and investing in other sources of income, you can create a financial safety net that doesn't rely entirely on your ability to work. So, as we delve into the other 6 income sources, think about how you can start to shift your mindset from working for money to having money work for you. It's the first step towards financial independence and true security. Number 2, profit income. Have you ever considered how some people make money by selling something for more than it costs them to make or buy? This is known as profit income, and it's the lifeblood of many successful businesses. Imagine a grocery store. It buys products at wholesale prices and sells them to customers at higher prices, pocketing the difference. Car dealers do the same, buying vehicles and selling them at a markup. Plus, they earn additional profits from loans and maintenance services. But you don't have to launch the next Walmart or Amazon to earn profit income. Even a door-to-door salesman selling cleaning products for more than he paid for them is tapping into this income stream with minimal startup costs. Transitioning from earned income to profit income can be challenging, especially for those accustomed to the stability of a paycheck. It requires a mix of courage, time, and capital to get started. Many people feel hesitant to invest their time and money into a new venture, especially if it means taking time away from their regular job. Yet, the rewards can be substantial. To succeed as an entrepreneur, you need to identify a product or service you're passionate about selling. This could be anything from cars and clothing to a small cafe or restaurant. Once you've chosen your product, the key to profit income lies in your ability to present it well and provide excellent customer service. When done right, not only can profit income supplement your earned income, but it can also become a significant and rewarding source of financial growth. So, as you think about diversifying your income streams, consider what products or services you could sell. It might just be the first step toward a more financially secure future. Number 3, interest income. Have you ever wondered how you can make your money work for you without much effort? Interest income might be the answer. It's a straightforward concept. You lend your money to someone, and in return, they pay you interest. The interest you earn depends on how long the money is lent and what it's used for. For instance, lending money to an investor flipping a house in a short period usually yields a higher interest rate compared to lending for a long-term rental property investment. Interest income comes in many forms. You could lend money to someone starting a new business, to a friend buying a new car, or even by putting your money in a bank account or buying government treasury bills. Payday loan companies, for example, earn interest by lending small amounts to individuals who repay them on their next payday. Once set up, this type of income can be entirely passive, requiring no effort beyond the initial lending. However, your earning potential is limited by the amount you can lend and what borrowers are willing to pay in interest. The more money you have available to lend, the more you can earn. Additionally, interest rates can vary widely based on the risk and duration of the loan. Lending to someone for a short-term high-risk project might bring in high interest quickly, while long-term low-risk loans tend to generate steady, reliable income over time. Interest income offers a way to diversify your income streams with minimal ongoing effort. As you consider ways to grow your wealth, think about how you can leverage your existing money to generate more through interest. This could be a crucial step towards achieving financial independence and building a robust financial portfolio. Number 4, dividend income. Have you ever thought about earning money just by owning a piece of a company? That's exactly what dividend income offers. When you own dividend-paying stocks from companies like ExxonMobil, Verizon Communications, Coca-Cola, Walmart, or Johnson & Johnson, you receive regular payments simply for holding those shares. These payments, known as dividends, are usually distributed quarterly and represent a share of the company's profits. Imagine owning an index fund of the S&P 500. On average, you might receive about 2% of your investment value annually in dividend payments. This income stream can be powerful enough that individuals with significant investments can achieve financial independence, living off their dividend income alone. This means they continue to receive cash flow while the value of their investments grows, illustrating how the rich often get richer. For many retirees, dividend income becomes a financial lifeline, providing a steady stream of money to cover their monthly expenses. Think of it as similar to cash flow from a rental property. The property might increase in value over time while still generating regular income. In the same way, dividend-paying stocks have the potential to appreciate in value while providing a consistent income stream. Dividend income is a way to build wealth passively. By choosing the right dividend-paying stocks and reinvesting those dividends, you can create a compounding effect where your returns generate even more returns over time. As you explore ways to diversify your income streams, consider how dividend-paying stocks can play a role in your financial strategy, helping you to build a more secure and independent financial future. Number 5, rental income. Have you ever considered making money by renting out property or even items you own? Rental income is a powerful way to earn passive income and build wealth. This type of income is typically received from renting out houses or apartments, but it can also come from leasing industrial spaces, warehouses, storage trailers, or even land. Think about the retail spaces at shopping centers. Many stores prefer to rent these spaces rather than purchase and manage their own properties. This allows them to focus on their core business without the hassle of maintenance, repairs, and property management. Rental income isn't limited to real estate. People rent out boats, campers, cars, tools, and much more. Essentially, if you own something that others need or want to use, there's potential to earn rental income from it. To profit from rental income, the money you receive must cover the expenses associated with the property or item and ideally provide some extra, known as cash flow. This means not only paying for maintenance and repairs, but also covering any financing costs, insurance, and taxes. By diversifying into rental income, you can create a steady stream of cash flow that adds to your financial stability. As you explore different ways to build wealth, consider the vast opportunities available in rental income. Whether it's a traditional property or a unique asset like a boat or camper, the possibilities are endless. This form of income can significantly contribute to your financial independence, providing another layer of security and growth to your financial portfolio. Number 6, capital gains income. Have you ever profited from selling something for more than you paid for it? That's the essence of capital gains income. This type of income is generated when an asset, such as a home, stock, or even an antique car, appreciates in value and is sold for a profit. For instance, if you buy a classic car for $10,000 and later sell it for $20,000, the $10,000 difference is your capital gain. Capital gains are most commonly associated with stocks and real estate, but opportunities to earn this type of income are virtually unlimited. Whether it's fine art, collectibles, or any other valuable asset, the potential for capital gains exists. However, unlike other forms of income, you only realize these gains when you sell the appreciated asset. For example, if your stock portfolio has doubled in value, you need to sell the stocks to access the profits. The amount you can earn from capital gains depends on how many and what types of assets you can buy and sell. This can limit the passivity of this income stream, as it requires initial capital to invest and a strategic approach to buying and selling assets at the right time. Despite these limitations, capital gains can be a significant source of income and a key component of wealth building. By wisely investing in appreciating assets, you can create substantial financial growth. As you consider diversifying your income streams, think about how you can leverage capital gains to enhance your financial strategy. Whether through real estate, stocks, or other valuable assets, capital gains offer another avenue to financial independence and long-term wealth. Royalty income. And now we have number 7, royalty income. Have you ever thought about earning money from something you created, like a song, book, or design? That's exactly what royalty income is all about. This type of income is received from intellectual property and can provide a steady, passive income stream for years. Whether it's music, books, artwork, logos, designs, slogans, or patents, royalty income rewards creators for their original work, as long as it remains protected by law. There are two main ways to earn royalties from your intellectual property. First, you could sell the property and receive payments from the buyer based on a percentage of the revenue it generates. For instance, if you sell the copyright to a book, you might receive an upfront payment plus ongoing royalties from book sales. Alternatively, you can keep ownership and license the property to others, earning royalties for its use. This approach allows you to retain control over your creation while still generating income. Royalty fees and payments can vary widely. In a franchise scenario, like a fast food restaurant, royalties might be a fixed or variable percentage of gross sales, often with a minimum royalty requirement. This ensures that you, as the creator, continue to benefit financially from your intellectual property. By tapping into royalty income, you can diversify your income streams and start earning money passively. This means you can earn while you sleep, reducing your reliance on a traditional job and escaping the rat race of trading time for money. There are only so many hours in a day to work for earned income, so it's crucial to explore other opportunities that can generate wealth the way the wealthy do. By incorporating royalty income and other diverse income sources into your financial strategy, you can pave the way toward financial independence. It's time to start thinking beyond earned income and embrace the various ways you can make your money work for you. If you're just starting out and have just a little money to invest, you need to find investments that don't cost a lot up front. That's where the next video comes in. $10 investments anyone can afford. Just click on this one right here to learn more, and let's build big money.